Since 1843, we do pottery. We have two types of clay. Red one from the river, terracotta color, which is clay, and the white one from the volcanic mountains, volcanic ash. We call it kaolin. We mix with the quartz. Then we bake it twice, 16 hours, certain temperature. Then after, we draw the design. I also draw myself. Free mind, free hand technique. We don't use a copy paper over here. Then we do the coloring, natural colors without any chemicals. After we bake it here, color never burns. Then we glaze with quartz, never fades or runs away. Put the color. Alright, we made a vase, we dry for 3 weeks, then we do the following process. Anybody wants to try?